Hey, this is Josh Bernstein here at Fox and Bailey. I wanted to tell you about a piece that we just got in this beautiful large Rolex box. And I'm going to do the unveiling. This is a beautiful ladies 18 karat gold, 28 millimeter President. This has a Carolina blue dial with a factory diamond dial, diamond bezel. So everything came from Rolex this way. This is a 2019. But what I love about it is what Rolex has done is they've made this band solid. So this is all solid 18 karat gold, and it's a little bit wider. And it just has a really nice presence on the wrist. But that Carolina blue color with those diamonds on the dial really just look incredible. This one could be yours. So come see us here at Fox and Bailey, and we'll show you this fantastic timepiece, 28 millimeter solid ladies President. Come see us.